Welcome to another video. Wow, I miss this. Ooh. So I'm at the gym right now and we are hitting what? Let me check my workout schedule. I haven't been to the gym in past 2 months. So this is like मैं 2 महीने के बाद gym कर रही हूँ. I feel really good about that and I don't know how much you guys can hear me because the music is too loud. We need to always give space to others and do not disturb. So the last time I was, in the gym, I did full body. I think I'll hit back today. Back in biceps. Let's go. I already did the warm up, by the way. So many people are hitting back today. Have to do back workout. But I feel like everybody does back every single day. There's so much crowd near the back. What is it called? I forgot, my brain's buffering. Because I'm kinda dipping. Near the back wards. Near the back machines, yeah. Near the back machines. That's what I wanted to say. Bye.
I know you got so many issues, I ain't trying to fix you. Cause you know I just can't get enough of your loving. And every time I kiss you.
So I was like, I'll listen to my body. I did 3 sets of lat pull down and 2 sets of V pull down. The V rod pull down. And I'm stopping it at that because I'm tired and I did feel it, I did feel it in the muscle. Maxing out is the goal, maxing out is the goal, not about the reps or sets, right? I need to do the, what's that called? Rowing. I need to do seated rowing though. Oh my god, I think it's empty. Come. Can you see the rowing part?
But every time no matter what you say, I feel some kind of way. You got me coming back for more and you drive me insane. I know you got so many issues, I ain't trying to fix you. Cause you know I just can't get enough of your loving. And every time I kiss you, hate who I turn into. A pony taking cover, I know there ain't no other. I know you got your so many issues. I know you got so many issues, I ain't trying to fix.
Yep. Bicep curl.
Taking cover, I know there ain't no other. I know you got your so many issues.
Okay, so I was doing straight arm pull down and I was not doing the right form. There was a guy who came and he was like, you're not doing the right form and I'm afraid that you'll enjoy yourself. And I'm really glad that he did tell me. I immediately asked my friend to check my form and then he corrected my form. So be very careful when you're working out in the gym. If you're not doing the right form, you'll enjoy yourself. And I don't think that we'll all have instances where people will actually come and approach and tell us. I'm just glad that he did. Whoever he is, thank you. If you're watching this video, that is. अगर आप देख रहे हो तो thank you. अगर आप नहीं देख रहे हो तो then I was really embarrassed and shy to come and tell thank you to your face. But know that in my heart I've thanked you. And there are instances where even when I see other women working out and they're not doing the right form, in the workouts that I exactly know. So I make them aware and most of the times we do not get to see ourselves. When there's no mirror, we cannot check our form. So we get it wrong. And because I'm coming to gym after a very long time, I did lose my touch. It's always about repetitions and consistency when it comes to working out. You have to put in the reps and you have to be consistent for your body to remember and build mind-muscle connection. I don't know how much you can hear me. It's too noisy, but yep, I love you. And I feel like this is the chaos that I thrive in. Yeah, human level. Why haven't I done that before? नहीं किया यार. बस cool down करना is very important. Otherwise you'll have cramps and body recover नहीं करेगा. The music is too loud. Too loud. मोटी हो गई हूँ मैं. I've become fat. PHAT fat. I am dark. This angle is beautiful. The proper sunlight. Oh yeah, cinema roll.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something to my
Big go.
brain wants you. I've been hanging.
That was a very good workout. After a very long time, I feel so good, and I look like. Okay. I look so bad, bro. So bad. It's okay. It'll get better and I'll be less puffy in no time. You're gonna see. My forehead is so big. It's bigger than Big Mom. Okay, I'm in the washroom and now I can actually talk a little bit. That was a very good workout session. I had super fun, and even though I did not wake up so early in the morning, I woke up around 11. I feel really nice that this is change. Okay, I was super depressed. So yeah, depressed मैं इसीलिए थी because of, but vlogs about gym are coming super soon. I cannot wait to get fit. Like I was very fit. मैं previous gym vlogs देख रही थी 1 year ago, and I was like working out every single day and eating the right amount of food, the right protein, and cutting down on calories. सब कुछ मैं track कर रही थी, and it is always about consistency. I was not consistent because so many things happened in the past year, and you guys know about it already. I'm not gonna repeat that, but I should repeat it for anyone who's new here. Hi, I'm Vandana Shivram. I am a 23-year-old entrepreneur who has a clothing brand and currently building a protein brand as well, Protein Food Cafe. Protein synthesis, which is all about eating the right food for your body to fuel it and get gains. So yes, I mean, I've always loved creating content because it's documenting life, and I documented it for myself so that when I am 70 years old, I can just sit and watch my vlogs instead of getting, bored in life. I can look back and cherish all the memories. Also, for anyone who is watching this video, well, you have to do something that you love and you have to chase your passion. That's what life is all about. It's about fulfilling your purpose, and I feel like my purpose is not doing a single thing. It's doing so many things at once, but at the same time, not too many, just enough to fit in your plate where everything is interlinked and helps you grow. Each thing is gonna complement and help you grow in a way where you can do the other thing as well. For example, if I eat the right food, I get gains in my body, and if I get gains in my body, it is gonna help me in content creation, and if I do content creation, it will help me earn in life, and if I earn in life, my lifestyle will get better, and each day I can show you guys more of me and execute all the ideas that I have in my head. मेरा दिमाग सबसे अच्छा तभी जलता है मेरा दिमाग सबसे अच्छा तभी चलता है जब मैं फिजिकली कुछ करती हूँ, like maybe going on a run or doing workout. तो I feel really good about myself every single time I do that, and आज ऐसे ही फील हो रहा है मुझे. I feel so freaking good. तो आपको भी एक ऐसी चीज़ करनी चाहिए which will make you feel really good about yourself. whatever it is, and subscribe if you did not do it already, because बहुत fun आने वाला है. So much fun is gonna come your way. I love you all so much. Okay, I love you, and I'm buffering right now, but I'm still going on. And the reason I'm buffering is because I have type 1 diabetes, and working out is not easy with, you know, insulin, and I have a lot of fluctuations. If I work out too much, I go into hypoglycemia, and if I do not work out at all, or if I just eat a lot of food, then I go hyper. Okay, it's hyperglycemia, where my sugars are skyrocketing. Hypo is where it's dipping. Yeah, that's what happens. So in order to create that balance, I need to be physically fit and not have too much body fat. That's what I'm going to focus on. Yeah. I love DJI Nano. It is so amazing. It makes me feel like there's no camera at all. I'm just talking to you directly. So you're in front of me, and or maybe like I'm talking to myself. So I don't feel shy about it. But if it's like a huge camera, the Sony camera that I have, FX30, it feels so shy. I feel nervous, I feel shy. Even after 4 to 5 years of being in content creation, I feel like I'm not there yet. And if you're like me, if you are a creator and if you're shy too, or if you're just starting and you're shy, then do give me some tips on how not to be shy. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all so much. Bye. Oh yeah, why am I ending it already? I'll show you what I do in a day generally. Abhi se I will show you. I'll go and have lunch, which is like evening lunch. Shh, we do not talk about that. Fir bhi, I'll take you with me. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Let's go. Am I trying to be cute? I'm not cute. That is not cute. Divine sunlight. Let me drink some water. Let's go. That was beautiful. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Bhagenge. You should always take the stairs. Take the stairs. Hulk hates stairs. But I love stairs. Going back home. घर जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे. Yummy, tasty, delicious. Bye bye. So much traffic.
सच्ची सच्ची बोलूँ तो मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार. I mean, बहुत दिनों के बाद आज जिम किया मैंने, and then I came, I was focusing on work, and it's always about that in life कि life should go on. कुछ चले ना चले, लाइफ तो चलनी चाहिए. सो इसके बाद मैं मोस्टली बहुत ही लाइट डिनर करूँगी बिकॉज आई हैड माई लंच सुपर लेट. तो बहुत ही लाइट डिनर करके आई विल एंड द डे विद दैट. वट एवर यू डूइंग, आई होप यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तबीयत का always take care of your health. I don't know what's it called, like तबीयत का ध्यान रखो हमेशा. तबीयत का ध्यान रखो हमेशा. Okay, see, the reason I talk as a broken Hindi is because Hindi और English mix करती हो तो I forget all the words. But if I'm actually talking in Hindi with a person who is Hindi, like when I talk to my friends, I'm so fluent in Hindi, I'm naturally talking it. But जब मैं ऐसा force करती हूँ ना, I mess it up. I don't know why. But a lot of you, आप लोग बोलते हो कि you talk such good Hindi. Oh my God, adorable. Thank you. मेरा मोरल बहुत boost हुआ है, and that's the reason why I'm talking more and more Hindi in the videos, because you guys told me that I talk well, and I thought why not, क्यों नहीं करेंगे, बात करेंगे हिंदी में. एंड मेरा हिंदी अच्छा है एक्चुअली, पर जब मैं कॉन्शियस हो जाती हूँ आई टेंड टू फॉरगेट इट. इट्स लाइक एनीथिंग इन लाइफ, व्हेन यू गेट नर्वस यू मेस अप. दैट्स द थिंग. चलो अभी के लिए तो आई विल स्टॉप दिस.